Hi, Dyslexic Genius here. What we got to do is disassemble the spring barrel. It has 6 screws that come around the outside like a Columbia, but then you look at this. I didn't see this yesterday. This is not good.
What is it?
This is the nipple that holds the outside of the spring in place.
Okay.
So there's 2 ways to get this apart. We'll come in here with this is a windshield wiper puller. That's what these are. Oh, it's dragging. Okay. So this one. So what happens is we can't get the part of the windshield wiper puller under the gear, so we have to pull everything all at once. So we'll do this. We'll take the last.
So you've got some of the screws out?
Yeah, I got 3 of them out. Which might help a lot. We get all 3 of them out. And when you take these springs out, these screws out, you can feel it come apart like that. Okay. What we're going to do is a little dangerous. And why am I doing it this way? Because I need to save the brass gear. I need to keep this gear without getting it damaged, but I need to get the spring out. So what we're going to do is we're going to unwind this. You want to make sure you don't hit the nibble with the jaws. Going to lock that down. Aha, look at this. Uncle Bubba been in here.
The spring's in backwards.
Yeah, this nipple.
The spring is in backwards, so somebody's been in here.
Yep, somebody's been in here.
Wow.
So.
Okay.
So it means we have to machine a new nipple. So we're going to set this into the vise. Let the spring fall, that's fine. I really don't want to have to grind that out because I got to build a new one. Now what you've run into is a problem. They've clipped the end of the spring off, and now we can't get this off, which means we have to grind this off a little bit. Because
Okay, which way is the spring supposed to go in?
it should go in counterclockwise.
Or which way did they put it in?
Looks like they put it in clockwise. But you can see this brass rivet in here
Yeah.
that they stuck in there. So what we need to do is grind this off. The easiest way is just to go over the bandsaw real fast. I mean, the belt sander. Here it went. Now what's good is it's still annealed here, but what happened is it broke off right in here.
And that's why they put a hole in it?
That's
Repack it?
that's why they put a hole in it. Repack.
Can you save that?
I might be able to save this, but I'm gonna have to look at it. Personally, I'd put a new spring in this thing just to be safe, because you got see, this nipple looks good, but in cranking the machine up, this should be tight. And you see how this is all bent out of shape here? So they've really played with this thing. Yeah, I think the spring's toast. On this kind of machine, a rarity, right? You could put a new, we could use this and could fix it, but we should really put a new spring in. And that's my tip for the day.